So let's say I asked you to give me the prime numbers from numbers 1 through 99. Well, one person would think, oh, well, I have the first few numbers memorized. Let's just do, well, 1's not a prime number. 2, 3, 4 is not a prime number. 5, 7, not 8 or 9, not 10, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 20, 29, and this is when this would get rough. But what if I asked you that this would not be the best way to do this? This is in fact cringe. Let me just show you something called the Sieve of Eratosthenes. So what he did is that he wrote down the numbers 2 through 99, and he started with 2 because 1 is not a prime number, and he scribbled off the multiples of 2. So not including 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. You can see where I'm going through this. Now I'm gonna he crossed off every multiple of 2, aka just all the even numbers that are not 2. And then he did the same thing with 3, because that's the next number after 2. And and boom, we have the multiples of 3 crossed off. And you can see what's going on next. We just move on to the next number. Well, 4 here is already crossed off, so we do 5. That one's easy because we just do, every 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. That should be easier than, 3. I don't have a quirky transition. And all the multiples of 5s are covered. And you can kind of see where we're going with this. And I'm going to skip through the end. We don't have to do every number. But if you follow through all the steps that I showed you here, you should be able to get to the end. And after that, you would have all prime numbers. And eventually, you'll probably get to the point where maybe like 97. And you'd be like, yeah, there's no more multiples after that. So I can just move on to the next one. But make sure you can find the multiples and cross it off, though. And it should look something like this. And boom, there you have it. That is how you find the prime numbers from 1 through 99 using the sieve of
Eratosthenes.
Now, is this method a surefire way to find the prime numbers? Yes. But is this faster than just looking it up? Probably not, unless you're really slow at typing. But this is just a very interesting way to look at mathematics, because back at the time of
Eratosthenes.
that classical mathematics time, they didn't have access to Google, so they use methods like these to find prime numbers, and it's very interesting to look at because if you're going to the field of mathematics, it's great to know the roots of how these concepts came from, and also it's just fun to look at and just to see how it's done. Thank you.